Hey guys, and welcome back to my parents' kitchen. A lot of you guys have been asking me, how do I figure out what topics of videos I make? Well, pretty much, if I'm hungry for it, I'm gonna make it. And today I'm hungry for a chicken panini, and with that being said, let's go. We have a lot of ingredients today, but we'll go one by one. Chicken breast, olives, ciabatta bread. For our sauce, vegetable oil, Dijon mustard, an egg, vinegar. For our sandwich, we have cheese, raclette, and we also need oregano, lemon, a lettuce, a tomato, and olive oil for our marinade. We'll make some room and we'll start our recipe. Everything's here. We'll put our chicken on our board, on top of our board. There's a fillet. We'll remove it and we'll cut this in two. I am using a black knife for my chicken because it cuts really well. Do not crucify me in the comments. Chicken reserved. Me and my cameraman, so 2 pieces, 2 sandwiches. And our chicken can go in our bowl. For our marinade, we will need half a lemon. We'll cut it in 2, we'll keep a half for later. For our marinade, we equally need olive oil, salt and pepper. Grab our chicken, grab a sieve, and just crush all the juice out of your lemon. We juiced our lemon, the lemon can go. And now salt, pepper, olive oil quite a bit. The perk of using olive oil in our marinade is that we don't have to put any in our pan afterwards. Mix it all together, coat our chicken well. For the best result, wait roughly an hour. But if you're like me and you are quite impatient, wait 30 minutes. And now we'll put that in the fridge for 30 minutes. It's about that time in the video where we make our mayonnaise. We need a bowl. As always, grab an egg and with one hand, you need to open it. Oil for later, 1 shot of vinegar inside, Dijon mustard, 1 large spoon, salt and pepper. We'll start with our salt, pepper, oregano, grab about 15 leaves, a couple more. You just want the leaves, not the stem. And now our last step, the other half lemon. Get all the juices out. Alright, we have it in the sink. And now we will pre-blend. Pre-blended, oil slowly. There we go. Our beautiful Greek style sauce is done. And now let's check out the consistency of our beautiful sauce. For our video, I will be using just a bit. I'll be adding olives to make it even more Greek. This should be enough for a couple paninis. Olives, up to you how many you want, and we'll incorporate it all in. I will put this in the fridge and we will move on to the next part of our recipe. Continuing on with our prep, let's get our tomato, our lettuce, and our bread. 2 paninis, 2 breads. 1 and 2 and reserve. It's about that time for some shake and bakes. We'll put our pan onto high and we want our pan to be 300 degrees Celsius, in other words, extremely hot. My pan is deadly hot, we're ready to go. Grab our chicken from the fridge and we'll put it inside our pan. And we want to cook our chicken about 4 to 5 minutes. In other words, until well cooked. The lemon juice reduced slowly, and now we're good to go. And we will keep flipping our chicken over. Shake and bake. And now we wait. After a good 5 minutes, it should be done. Heat off, and now the pan in the middle. And let's see if we cooked our chicken perfectly. We'll grab 1 random piece with a white knife, cut a piece open, and let's see. Perfectly cooked, nice and juicy. And now, reserve. We'll cover and we'll move on to building our panini. And now let's plug in our panini machine, wait for it to preheat, let's build our paninis. We'll need our bread, we'll need our sauce, some on top, some on the bottom, some on top, some on the bottom. We'll smooth it all out. I was a bit cheap for sauce over here, we'll add a bit more. There you go, a nice decent amount. So our bottoms are here, our tops are here. To our bottoms I will put cheese and cheese. On the bottoms, we'll put salad. We'll grab our chicken, place our chicken on top of the salad. Nice and juicy, all that lemon juice still there on top of it. On top of our chicken, we'll put our tomatoes. The tops can go on top. Crush, and now let's heat them up. Green light means go, it's hot, let's cook our panini up. Alright, it's quite a small panini machine, don't judge me, but it was on offer. And we'll close like this. Wait about 30 seconds, we'll turn another 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, we'll turn our panini and crush. And now we'll re-flip 1 last time and crush. It's about that time, let's check, and we're done. Grab a plate, grab a spatula, place on the plate, and next one. And we'll turn it in about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we'll turn our panini and re-crush. After 30 seconds, open, flip it around, and another 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, I wasn't really counting, but it should be done. Oh, what a beauty. We'll grab it and we'll place it with our first one. And now let's see our beauties. I'll put them on the table. We have our melted raclette cheese. Nice crispiness. Tomatoes are nice and toasty. Our chicken is cooked and still juicy. And we have that little bit of healthiness from our salad. I put so much lettuce in our paninis that we can basically call them a salad. Crispiness, melted cheese, chicken, what else do you want? It's amazing. On the outside they're beautiful, but people always say that true beauty is on the inside. So let's look at what's on the inside. We have our nice melted cheese, our chicken is beautifully cooked, our cheese became stringy. Me and my cameraman are gonna have a lot of fun eating these later. And our tradition, as always, we'll plate our recipe. I filmed my chip video right before this video, so we have homemade chips to go with our paninis. And just like that, our dinner is done. Well, not our dinner, my cameraman and I. And thank you guys so much for watching our video, and I'll see you guys in our next one. See ya, bye.